Hi everybody, Cali Rose here. We are learning a Beatles song, Can't Buy Me Love, in some of my ukulele classes. We're in the key of G. Our starting note is G. Can't buy me. We're going at a medium tempo shuffle, 150 beats per minute, a little slower than the Beatle version. And also the Beatles have an instrumental break in the song, and we're going to do that too, but we're going to hum the melody as we play the ukulele during that solo. And after the video, I'm going to show you one of those strum patterns that I'm using to pump this up with some rhythmic intensity. So here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1. Can't buy me love. Money can't buy me love. I'll give you all I got to give if you say you love me too. I may not have a lot to give, but what I got I'll give to you. 'Cause I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love, can't buy me love. Everybody tells me so, can't buy me. No, 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 no. Say you don't need no diamond rings, and I'll be satisfied. Tell me now you want the kind of things that money just can't buy. I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love. Wow! La 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 la. Much for money, money can't buy me love, can't buy me love. Everybody tells me so, can't buy me love. No, 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 no. Say you don't need no diamond rings, and I'll be satisfied. Tell me that you want the kind of things that money just can't buy. Much for money, money can't buy me love, can't buy me love. Love can't buy me love. I'm using the chuck a lot. That it looks like this. Using it two different ways in this song. We have some sections where we're playing a C7 chord and we're doing the chuck. I don't care too much for money. So the way that I do it, and there are many ways to do it, what works for me is I'm doing a roll with my right hand. And you notice a roll, a fan, whatever you want to call it. I'm leading with my baby finger, so try doing it in the air first, so you won't hurt anybody. And then I'm going to start bringing it into the ukulele, like now the left hand's taking a break, and I'm just going, So you see how I'm bringing 4 fingers across 4 strings and getting 16 sounds, which is a bonanza in the ukulele world. And what I love about this particular way of doing a chuck is once I have brought my fingers across the strings, positions the palm of my hand just right to just press in ever so gently to mute the sound I just made. It's one continuous motion. It's not this. It's a... Let's try it. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we're doing I don't care too much for money, I'm really amplifying that technique like a drummer would do with a drum kit. Like that. But I'm also using the same technique with the strum pattern that I'm using. I call this the boom chaka. So we have 4 beats in a measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. First beat is a down. Fingernails, I'm using my fingernails. I want to get some edge. And you see how bent, how cupped my right hand is. So where's my egg? That's what I use. I'm holding an egg. See? You can do it. I'm holding the egg at the same time. I want to get my fingernails. And if you're getting your cuticle and you're bleeding, there's no bleeding in the ukulele. Okay? Just adjust your angle so you're catching your fingernails and no fleshy things, no bleeding things. So first beat down, second beat down up, third beat down, fourth beat down up. It's a symmetrical strum pattern. And it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down. I use this with shuffles. I use this with rock beats. I love this strum pattern. A workhorse of a strum pattern. So the way that I fancy it up, I'm going to make a G with my left hand, is I add this chuck element. I confess, I've brought this over to the ukulele from my guitar playing days. So what am I doing? Down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. Now the chuck, it doesn't have all the drama that the other version of the chuck did. I'm not doing that. It's a lot more subtle because we're doing it a lot. Sometimes I do it on just the second beat. Sometimes I'll do it on the 2 and the 4 if I really want to add some extra energy. So let's try this really slowly. 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down. Let's just do a down, down, up. We'll compare and contrast. 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now let's do the chuck, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down. We like rhythmic intensity around here. Happy strumming, you guys, and thanks for tuning in.